Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello ma'am, my name is Omkar Venkatrao Baswekar. I am studying in third year electrical engineering in Zil Polytechnic. My group members for micro project are Mote Lakshman Balasaheb, Ikke Jalindar Shivaji, Jambare Rishikesh Vijay, Baswekar Omkar Venkatrao. Our micro project title is Types of Testing Transformer. In this project, we studied about the whole information of testing transformer and take PowerPoint presentation on it. Testing transformer are mainly three types. First one is routine type, second one is type test, and third one is special test. Types of test in which these tests are carried out only on the one transformer of the lot. First one, all routine test. Second one, type test. In the type test, there are two types. First one is lightning impulse test, and second one is temperature rise test. In the special test, additional impulse test, there are many types. First one is short circuit test, second one is measurement of zero phase sequence impedance test, third one is measurement of acoustic noise level, fourth one is measurement of harmonics of the no load current, fifth one is magnetic balance test. Routine test. In the routine test, there are many types. First one is measurement of winding resistance. In this test measures the resistance of the HV and LV winding. The values of resistance should be balanced for all three phases and should be match the designed value. Equipment used in digital resistance meter. In the routine test, second one is measurement of insulation resistance. In measurement of insulation resistance, measures the insulation resistance of HV and LV winding with respect to the earth body and between LV and HV winding. Insulation tester for Megger is used. Recommended values are 2000 mega ohms for HV and 500 mega ohms for LV. Third one is separate source voltage withstand test. It is high voltage test on HV and LV. This test checks the insulation properly between primary to earth and secondary to earth and between primary and secondary. HV high voltage test is LV winding connected together and earth HV winding connected together and given 28 kV for 11 kV transformer for 1 minute. LV high voltage test, HV winding connected together and earth LV winding connected together and given 3 kV for 1 minute. Equipment used high voltage tester as 100 kV and 3 kV. Fourth one is induced over voltage withstand test. This test checks the interturn insulation for 11 kV per 433 volt transformer. 860 volts are applied at the 430 volt winding with the help of the generator for 1 minute. This induces 22 kV on 11 kV side. The frequency of the 866 volt supply is also increased to 100 Hz. Equipment used motor generator set. Fifth one is a measurement of voltage ratio. This test measures the voltage ratio as per customer's requirement. V1 upon V2 is equal to N1 upon N2. The voltage ratio is equal to the turns ratio in the transformer. Using this principle, the turns ratio is measured with the help of a turns ratio meter. If it is correct, then the voltage ratio is assumed to be correct. Equipment is used in this. It is turns ratio meter. Sixth one is measurement of no load loss and current. In this, the iron loss and no load current are measured in this test. The 432 volt winding is charged at 433 volt supply and the 11 kV winding is left open. The power consumed by the transformer at no load is no load loss in the transformer. Effect of actual frequency must be taken into account. Equipment used wattmeters and power analyzer. 7 number is measurement of load loss and impedance. It is about efficiency and regulation. This test measures the power consumed by the transformer when the 433 volt winding is short circuited and the rated current is passed through the 11 kV winding. Equipment used wattmeters or power analyzer. 8 number is vector group verification test. This test verifies the DIN 11 vector group of distribution transformer. Equipment used voltmeter. And last one is a oil breakdown voltage test. In this, oil breakdown voltage is checked as per IS 335.100 mm L X 70 mm B X 80 mm. Glass pot 50 ml oil sample. Spherical electrodes with gap of 2.5 mm. Recommended value 60 kV. Equipment used oil breakdown voltage test set. This is the whole information about the testing of the transformer. We learn about whole information on
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.